Hello. This is the Awful and Awesome Entertainment Wrap, episode 398. This is Rajesh Sen.
And this is Abhinandan Sekhri. We're recording this from very polluted Delhi. Someone do something. That's my eyes are red, Rajshri. It's not
because of drinking,
No.
like Ranveer Singh. The look is like Ranveer Singh.
Ranveer Singh's eyes are red.
But we have a beautiful
Trailer. In that trailer, no, I think there
Discuss.
his insides are crying that he's starring in such a, at least by the promo, such a shit film. Anyway, but Rajshri Sen, before we start, may I make an announcement?
I have no choice but to say yes, actually.
Okay, very good, Rajshri Sen.
Huh.
So, many of you who may be following the news may be aware of this, many may not. But the government in its largesse, let me read the headline.
The largest.
In the headline, has agreed to the recommendation of the committee relating to premium rates to be offered for colour advertisements and preferential positioning, the Information Broadcasting Ministry said. This is to offer revenue support for the media ecosystem because, as you know, the government is very concerned about the media ecosystem. In fact, I have 80 income tax notices to prove how concerned they are for the media ecosystem, and almost 100 days of court hearings. Such concern for the media of the government. That's why eyes are red, Rajshri sir.
That's it.
See the beauty. So this 26%, all these, newspapers, etc., who are surviving on the largesse of large corporations and governments, and government has said they'll pay 26% more. We said we'll match you by taking a 26% drop in subscription revenue. We are offering discount all of November because we believe that this kind of C grade, optics and lip service for democracy and media ecosystem of a government that has demonstrated that it wants to destroy the media ecosystem at every stage. We want to show them, chomo tumhare bas ka nahi hai. There are enough subscribers. We'll make sure your shit models are the stuff that history books will say, see, such morons were doing such stuff, and some other morons were taking the ads, and other morons yet were watching it and saying, wah wah. So I've prepared a small video edit for you. So in the link below or in the QR code that will keep flashing on this episode from time to time, you can avail a 26% discount to match the 26% rise. And for that, this episode of Awful and Awesome will remain open. Do share it with your friends, family, those of your social circle who understand why the journalism world should be funded through public funds voluntarily, not forced public funds through governments given to media, right? So here's that little clip, and we'll see you back with some emails and
headlines.
Some headlines, yes.
I'd asked you last week how we should go forward. Viewer-funded model for News Laundry or advertiser-funded? Ads targeted at street vendors and farmers, best place to put them? English news channels. So I guess the real question is this a public outreach program or just a way for government fat cats to feel good about themselves at the taxpayers' expense?
वाह, कितना सुंदर पार्क।
गेस करो किसने बनाया है?
क्या ये भी आपने बनाया?
ये भी हमने टैक्सेस से बनाया।
पापा, इतना भद्दा एड किसने बनाया?
हमने बेटा, टैक्सेस देके।
ओह, just like भारत निर्माण एड।
हाँ बेटा, सी द ब्यूटी। हर साल सरकार हमारे हजारों करोड़ रुपए लेके एड्स बनाती है और टीवी पे डालती है ना वंडरफुल?
क्या आपके पापा भी इतने बुद्धू हैं?
We got an overwhelming response in favor of the viewer-funded model, although half a dozen people were of the view that people won't pay. They're not used to paying for news, and they will never pay for news to be free of political or corporate interference, even if they crib about it otherwise. Many of you have offered to start paying at once, and we are grateful for that.
So Rajshri Sen, now you
Mhm.
also quickly make an appeal of the QR code flashing next to your face.
Is it next to, or not in front of my face?
No,
Raj?
next to your face.
No, everyone obviously has to subscribe. Also, we are going to be 400 at our 400th episode. So to
Which
make
is
sure,
Not connected.
no, but you, if you want quality entertainment and information,
See, Rajshri Sen, we can push our subscribers
you don't
or
think
the
that-
viewers to a point that pay to keep news free. But if
If-
you start calling this show quality entertainment,
quality entertainment.
then
this
they'll
is.
say, "Yaar, itna bhi nahi. We'd
There's
rather see."
Rubika and then there's us.
Okay, fine.
It's
That's-
on the same. Or if you don't want this quality entertainment, see, you will only listen to what the subscriber wants if there are more and more subscribers. So subscribe to News Laundry. What do they have to do? Scan this code. Don't
Or-
flash this code.
Or there's a link also.
Or there's a link also which you can click on. And please make your friends and family also subscribe. And there's a discount. We love discounts.
So Rajshri Sen.
In this week's headlines,
Hmm.
if you had logged on to your Facebook or on any social media, Dharmendra was declared dead by everybody, which
Hmm.
is on social media. This is an illness I've noticed that if something happens in the world, and especially if a celebrity dies, everyone starts posting about rest in peace, this thing. Like, why are you, he's not anyway not reading what you're writing, nor his family. But in bad but not surprising news, outlets like India Today, Aaj Tak, ABP News, like the list is long and illustrious, ran with the news of his death without any fact checks, and the usual suspects, Rubika Liaquat, Anjana Om Kashyap, Chitra Tripathi.
But in good news, the media and PAPs were given a real bollocking by the duels for spreading fake news. And you have to be, it's like in the US, I mean, you have to be really horrible to be called a horrible man by Epstein in
Yeah.
the mails that are leaked. So, for Sunny Deol to say कि शर्म नहीं आती and use the ch word, ऐसे खड़े हुए हो, considering the man who occupied an MP's seat and did ch all for any good for anyone, but occupied the seat, for him to be calling out the media and you guys
Yeah.
to still lap it up, you must have the self-esteem that is less than a micron in diameter.
Correct. In just news, Shilpa Shetty, Rajpal Yadav, Ekta Kapoor all joined a Padyatra last week.
Right. In not surprising news, it wasn't for a worthy cause, but for self-proclaimed Saint Baba Bageshwar's Padyatra, who collapsed because the poor chap isn't used to so much exercise.
So this Baba Bageshwar, who's a young chap, he must be
He's in his 20s or something.
whatever. He's definitely younger than I am. Even I would not have collapsed as quickly as he collapsed.
Anyways, so in good news, there's a new Christmas song in town.
In bad news, it has been sung by Priyanka Chopra, and it's a Hindi remake
Oh,
of
really? So how does it
Last
go?
Christmas.
Last Christmas, दे दिया दिल, तूने धोखा दिया, किया जीना मुश्किल. इस साल दर्द से दूर है प्यार for someone special.
पिछले
can sing.
क्रिसमस तुझे
I think
दिल
there's some
दिया
English sentences
और
thrown in.
अगले ही
Yeah?
दिन तूने फेंक दिया
It's
इस
like a-
क्रिसमस तुझे आंसू से बचाने के लिए किसी खास को दूंगी यीशु की जय जय यीशु की जय जय बल्ले यीशु की बल्ले बल्ले यीशु की बल्ले
I'm quite impressed that they asked her to sing and that she did want to have a music career.
Right. So Rajshri Sen,
In not so surprising news, Abhinandan has not watched even one of the things that we were to discuss.
we will start with Frankenstein, which I watched.
Aye.
And I will say after a long time, and I knew it because this wasn't Rajshree's recommendation.
It was my
It
recommendation.
was a masterpiece. I will tell you why when we come back.
No, 1 second. Whose recommendation was it? Guillermo del Toro called you and said, watch my film.
Yeah.
You can't pronounce his name correctly. He's not going to call
I call him Toro.
Toro.
हम तो
What's-
बराक बराक एक दूसरे को हम फर्स्ट
Barak. Barak is a good.
हम ना ऐसे
If
बात
I married a Punjabi, I'd name our son Barak Chopra. I think it has that Punjabi
So
sound
Rajshri,
to
but
it.
before we start that, there was this piece of news that I sent to Rajshri. Here it's flashing on your screen. Gujarat man files for divorce over wife's obsession with stray dogs, cites stress and erectile dysfunction. Now I've searched, bar and bench, live law, all the law, who's following this case. Because I
Case.
want to know how the, honorable court reacted to this.
And Barn Bench was
But
following this.
Rajshri, no, I haven't been able to get to the bottom of this. Or
Also, the
even,
picture
or not
is
just
an AI
neither
picture.
to the
of him.
bottom or the tip of it also is
Yeah.
is not visible. But Rajshri said this reminded me this kind of obsession
Trauma.
with stray
Oh.
dogs
Hmm.
and his erectile dysfunction.
And the erectile
What does this
dysfunction.
have in common with high protein? The nutrients you get for canines in all these pet shops.
You don't get any high protein nutrients for canines, by the way.
You do. I've seen
For
it myself
human
in
beings
ads.
you
No,
get.
for canines you get high
That's
protein diet.
pedigree, normal.
Whatever,
How?
so-
What is it?
The thing that I have common, that both are good for dogs but bad for cocks.
For more such classy humor, subscribe to News Laundry. Here is the code. You'll get a 26% discount.
Did you get the joke?
It's very bad.
It's a very good joke.
This
See?
doing school humor na, is too much.
Right, Rajshri Sen. Now let's talk about the
Frankenstein.
2025 Frankenstein masterpiece.
Do you agree it's a masterpiece?
First of all, I'm not going to acknowledge you recommend it because you did not.
I did recommend. I even called you after that and said, please, will you watch it? It's a really good
You also
film.
sent me Coke and popcorn.
I would have, if that would have this thing encouraged you to watch it.
Anyway, so you
I
tell me,
wasn't
Rajshri.
sure you'd understand, but it seems you have. So, it is, the actors are,
So I'll give the brief, then you can give the commentary. It is produced by Guillermo del Toro.
Guillermo del
जो
Toro.
भी ना है उसका. It
Uh,
is based on the famous book by Mary Shelley, Frankenstein. The
the modern day Prometheus.
The
that's
modern day
book.
Prometheus. It is starring Oscar Isaac, Jacob Elordi, Mia Goth, which is appropriate because it is
Yes.
a gothic this thing, and of course the brilliant Christopher Waltz, who I think
Christoph
is
Waltz. Christoph Waltz.
Christoph
no?
Waltz,
Yeah.
you're right. It's based on this man, surgeon obsessed with conquering death, who threw the body parts of various soldiers, because there's a war on, the First World War, I'm guessing, puts together this creature. No, not the First World War. This was finished in 1818. So this was some
1818.
other war, clearly way before any World War. And he puts together this creature, brings it to life, and this creature is this abomination of life. And how this doctor realizes the folly of his vanity of wanting to be God. That is the theme. And how this creature turns against him and wants to kill him.
So I love the book. So Mary Shelley was married to
P.B. Shelley.
P.B. Shelley, who was also a beautiful poet, and he was a philosopher as well. And the most important part is that she wrote this in 1818.
It was
to-
published in 1818.
Yeah, to think of this story at that time and to write it, she is considered to be the first, basically, science fiction writer.
Mm.
And it's called modern day Prometheus because Prometheus was fell out of favor with Zeus.
Oh, I thought it was before Theus, when he was an
No.
amateur, then he became a pro.
Prometheus because he stole fire from the gods and gave it to the humans. So it's a horrible story but most Greek myth is quite horrific, and Zeus was a horrible god anyway. His punishment was that he was tied to a rock, and an eagle was tied to him who used to eat his liver every day. And then the next day, the liver would regenerate.
To be eaten again.
to be eaten again. And then finally Heracles
So it was a
released him.
never-ending supply of kaleji.
Ha, which I would not mind, but maybe not tied to a rock. But so what I loved about this, Jacob Elordi, you remember from the film that we watched?
He was sitting
Elvis.
next to us.
No, Elvis.
Oh, he was actor. Oh, right.
Remember we saw Elvis and it was really good.
Mm.
So Jacob Elordi plays Frankenstein's monster because also he's unnaturally tall, according to me. And it used to take him 8 hours every day to put that makeup and all that on.
Now you're doing
What?
you call Modi type, kuch bhi pel do. If it took him 8 hours to wear the makeup, how long did he shoot for?
They said 3 hours. We only shot
So-
for 3 hours every day.
So 11 hours was his time on set.
Yeah, and then it took 4 hours to remove.
So this is like Modi ji's day.
No, yeah, I've seen
You know, you
the
believe any...
interviews.
Okay, so that's 8 plus 3 is 11.
Plus 4
Plus 4 is
is
14,
11 plus 4, 15.
15,
Then
right?
he goes home.
Okay, which let's say commuting is 20, 30 minutes. Then he goes and straight away goes to
What
sleep.
can
for
I
some-
do if this was the
You believe
setter?
it?
Why will they make up? Why will they make up about the makeup like this?
Hmm.
No, but anyway, what I loved is that. So, did you realize that some of the scenes are straight out of paintings? That thing, the creation of man. There's a thing where he puts his finger out and he's touching Frankenstein once the monster comes to be. And so it's beautifully shot. Guillermo del Toro has this thing about women falling in love with monsters. He did it with Shape of Water also. He did it. There's another film that he'd done before. There are always this love story of women falling in love with monsters, and why they fall in love with monsters is one underlying theme that he has. But also that thing of that Frankenstein actually starts sympathizing with the monster. That's not in the, like, it's a more sympathetic story over here. And in the novel, you don't hear from the monster's point of view. So in this, they've gone into
the book
that,
doesn't
right?
have that either, correct.
But it's a beautiful book. You should read it. But why it's also interesting is that Mary Shelley, she wrote this when they went to stay at Byron's home, which was a castle. And she had these dreams, which were disturbing dreams. And then she came back and she started writing this book. But when she died, in her drawer was the people, as in whoever her friends and all found, P.B. Shelley's heart,
Like the
real heart,
Hmm.
which had calcified because when he was
and they knew it was Shelley's.
yeah.
Okay.
because she had it, she had a note and
Hmm.
everything, but and his friends had given it to her. Basically, when he was cremated, his heart and a few other organs, maybe because of just and they also used to die really early and all, it had calcified. So she had kept it wrapped in muslin in her drawer, in her bedroom
And
bedside
it
drawer.
rot.
No, it was totally calcified. It was like
But still
uh,
it would rot.
it didn't rot. And but the thing
That's
is,
a
she's
miracle.
clearly maybe it was a miracle, but she was clearly a little disturbed, I feel, but she was an extremely talented woman.
Hmm.
It's a beautiful book, but it's so well like etched out.
Picturized.
No?
So
Did you cry?
it's a no, I didn't. It's a masterpiece. It's a shame that I had to watch it on a laptop screen. This is a film made for big
Hmm.
screen, not Marvel Comics, not the DC world, Marvel Universe, X-Men Universe. This is a film I wish, if it comes again to cinemas, I will definitely go
No, no,
watch
so
it.
it wasn't released in theaters, no?
What
It
a
was a Netflix.
Tragic thing.
No, but
because it's
to
a
give Netflix their due also to produce a film like this.
Sure, but this film, even if they've produced it, they can still release it. I mean, I don't know.
Maybe elsewhere it was released, but in
So,
India it wasn't
It is
released in theaters.
spectacular. The cinematography, the lighting, the compositions. I think this is Oscar material. I'd be surprised if it does not at least get nominated, if not win Best Costume Design, Best Production, and Best Cinematography and Lighting. The sets looked phenomenal. The attention to detail was unprecedented. Then the script and dialogue too was outstanding. Just the one-liners.
Yeah,
The repartee, कहते हैं?
repartee. What I do very well.
Yeah. And you just say, "Shut up, kutte ke bacche, toothpiece."
I never say like
You
that.
don't talk like this. You know,
I
that's
say, or Sunny Deol speaks like this. You're
And it-
confusing us.
outstanding.
ये 2.5 किलो का हार 2.5 किलो ना है
हाँ,
something 25 किलो
So
का
the
हार था.
script and dialogue, it was just outstanding.
So that coffin that they show also, Niku,
Yeah.
that coffin used to actually be used.
Mhm.
So that's the way people were buried earlier. It's very beautifully done also.
Yeah.
And Charles Dance plays Frankenstein's father. So this has a commentary on many
Frankenstein's
things.
father, Victor.
The Victor Frankenstein's father.
Oh, so he's also okay. Got it.
Huh. So this is a commentary on many things, that if you have an indifferent parent, what happens to you? If the parent you love dies, what happens to you?
Well, the
Should you play God?
film, I guess, but I mean, I mentioned this morning at breakfast that I really like this film. And the downside of having a mother and a sister who are both teachers of English literature, I got a few. This was basically one of several books written in the Industrial Revolution, which was also, I wasn't paying full attention
I'm
because
so surprised.
so much of
Huh.
over information of Shelley and all these other
Huh.
people, whatever their names are. It was a commentary on the sense of power that the human race and the middle class had come to face with the Industrial Revolution, the sudden growth
Yeah.
of the dangers of playing God. And it was one of a series of books that
Which
were
is
written
what I
during that
said
time.
5 minutes back.
Which I don't know what the other books were. I was busy focusing on my Friday. The one thing about this film is, and I think this several films fail to do, it is in the fantasy genre,
Yeah.
right? So in the fantasy genre, a lot of stuff that is not plausible goes with the genre. Some films mix it up, like it is the fantasy genre, but not quite. Some things they want to explain,
Huh.
but yet then if you explain some things, you can't not explain the others. But this
so how
doesn't do
much-
that.
yeah.
This remains true to the genre. Like it never crosses your mind that this man is living alone in a castle miles from anywhere. Who's feeding him? Who's such a huge castle? Alone he's cleaning up. Alone he's doing everything.
Oh,
he would die.
Victor.
You know,
huh.
these kind of things don't even cross your mind. I mean, although they did cross my mind, but purely because of Kempo mentality, but
Huh.
not because it. The one thing that I found a little unreasonable was that
clothes. How did its clothes fit?
no,
That also I felt.
that how did I mean, why was she so enamored by the monster,
So
Elizabeth?
that's what I'm saying. He has this.
Bit it was just too much.
No, see, so
for
this is, you're speaking like a man who thinks that women will only like, why should you like a monster? Because
no,
the
no, no.
monster, the inside of the
He's
man.
not not because he's a monster. You don't see someone and suddenly he's so. I mean, you
No,
can
she
feel
was a
sympathetic.
little, yeah.
So I mean, you don't fall in love with someone just by seeing the person. I don't think that happens.
You haven't been watching Hindi films?
So
Earlier,
I
the
just-
people would
so
fall
I-
in love looking at the feet and all.
So and this German dude who was also in Glorious
Christoph
Bastard.
Waltz.
He
Oof.
is, dude, that guy is just screen presence. The way he can carry a scene. And even the lead who plays Victor. Must watch. If you haven't watched it, please go watch it.
And read the book. I would say read the book and read Philip K. Dick's Do Electric Sheep Dream of Androids, which is what Blade Runner is based on. And that was written in 1968. It's just remarkable that these kind of like the sci-fi films that we watch now were written actually almost a century back, right? So so read Do Androids Dream of Electric Sheep, not the
Over
other
2
way
centuries
around.
actually, Rashmi.
Huh?
2 centuries.
1968.
No, this is 1818.
This is 1818. I'm saying the other one, the other sci-fi novel. But it was really a beautifully, and just, it was like artwork
Beauty.
on the
It
screen.
was a beauty.
I didn't like her, but women at that time
I
were
think
a little
I
like,
think she was so well cast and she really had personality, man.
this is the thing, na? Punjabi men like all these. Like, choo also is not coming out of her mouth.
Did you watch the same film?
Yeah.
Chew was not coming out of her mouth.
Little bit.
What was attractive about her was that she fucking was a ball crusher. She fucking fucked anyone who fucked with her.
But she looked like she was very like.
No, what are you saying? Was she or was she
She
not?
was also
She was not.
quite a bit.
She just didn't speak, but when she spoke, she fucking fucked
Like
you, man.
me, na? Like I don't speak also, but when I
You
do,
don't keep quiet only.
no, I'm at heart.
And
I'm a very
her-
quiet person,
Repartee was so smart and
like mine. No,
Akarachi Sen, why don't we read a few emails to distract from you and me? Because it's getting a bit much. So we only entertain the feedback of subscribers. So if you're a subscriber, you can mail us at podcasts@newslaundry.com. I repeat, podcasts@newslaundry.com. Please put in the subject line ANA and please give your name, although we also read anonymous ones. But yeah, go ahead, Rajshi Sen.
Swati has written, "Hello, I really enjoy watching your show, especially the casual conversations between reviewers. I try to follow all your recommendation and love A's Punjabi music picks.
Yo, Karan Aujla.
My
Suvar
husband."
sach jata de kaake kanni waaliyan ni.
It really sounds like background music when you're getting beaten up by your husband. This will be playing. My husband, a Dehradun Punjabi, and I enjoy Punjabi music, even though we barely understand the lyrics. We are currently based in New Jersey, and our families back home, strong BJP supporters, rarely believe the UP, Delhi, or Uttarakhand stories you cover. We still keep sharing them, trying to show them the other side of the story. We regularly watch and listen to all your shows and ground reports and admire your courage and the depth of reporting in these times. Please keep up the great work. One request, could you add complete audio to all stories? Some, like Nidhi's Kerala Nun story, currently have only partial audio.
Okay,
it only partial audio?
so I'll just share this with our product team. Although there is an upgrade that is in progress, which was supposed to have been rolled out in October, but because of several fixes are still underway, should have a complete audio version of all our stories, but I will just share it with everybody.
So, Rishi
But
Jaitley.
thank you for your subscription. Please thank your husband. And I haven't got a Punjabi recommendation this time, but next time I'll come with one.
It's okay. Rishi has written, golden words need to be recited in every Pride March. Print them in large and hang it at the Louvre. It's something I said. I don't know what I said, but I'm usually very wise when I don't even realize. And there's a lot of LGBTQI. So the princess is gay, Milind Soman is gay. Like everyone, quite a few people are gay in this thing in the show. But one, it doesn't make sense.
These are your words.
Oh, in the royals, but I've said something in this thing, but one, it doesn't make sense. R is an ally we cannot afford, but we must have. I feel your pain, Abhinandan. The podcast can't afford her, but it's nothing without her. The queen must slay and slay. She does. I agree with everything I've said. It's all complimented. It must be good only. Neha Sinha has kept it short and sweet. For the next episode, I vote melodies over mindless content. Give us harmonies, not hysteria.
Thank you, Neha. I've also got a few other mails saying that we should do this episode. So I'll do it because Rajshri's
But will you get Amrita Fadnavis as your celebrity
she's
host?
clearly reluctant to do this because she'll actually have to do some research and
I'm not very
making
music
such-
friendly.
you don't have to be music friendly to do. Are you saying that anyone who's done a PhD on any music are music friendly?
Yeah.
It is just we are looking at Indian cinema and the songs as a reflection of gender dynamic, commentary of how women are perceived, how they were expected to be. You don't have to be music friendly for that. It's like I'm not an archaeologist friendly person, but if some bit of information about how certain artifacts are found tell us something about the politics over time, I'm interested. Doesn't mean I'm a fucking archaeologist.
But speaking of music, Milli Vanilli, the one who is still alive, just won a Grammy finally.
Finally, this time he sang.
No, for a voiceover, I think he's done. As in, or he voiced the.
Yeah,
audio
so
or
Neha, I've
something.
already got Excel sheet going of the songs. So if you can think of any song which kind of perpetuates or advocates this मैं तुम्हारे चरणों की धूल मेरी जिंदगी तुम्हारी टो के नीचे रहे आपकी नज़रों ने समझा प्यार के काबिल हमें ओ रुक जा उन्होंने मेरी तरफ थोड़ा थूक दिया अब मैं Subhagan Ho Gayi, whatever the fuck. If you know of any such songs, mail them abhinandansekhri@gmail.com, and then we will kind of start decoding how long this has existed and was there ever a change. Then, Rajshri said, you can also get your Bengali songs to
I
this.
think I listen to Bengali songs.
Hmm.
This is a myth that people think that I listen to Bengali songs. We will read one more email.
Okay.
Pratiksha has written, 2 shows that I highly appreciate and try not to miss are Nuisance and Awful and Awesome. I guess sarcasm and humor are the only ways to survive these utterly shitty times we live in. Please review Baramulla on Netflix. Even our producer told you, said, no? You didn't
Yeah,
say? No,
but-
she did not say.
But
She- for
someone else
once.
also mailed the same thing.
Enough with the files and stories. Would love to hear your thoughts. Both Abhinandan and Rajshri.
Okay, I think
Rajshri.
Baramulla has been recommended you right by several people. You should check it out.
Nirmaljit Kaur has also written, I am Nirmal, an avid listener of News Laundry podcast and everything you guys make. My suggestion for Awful and Awesome is Baramulla, a movie on Netflix. It matches the same details of Kashmir Files but in a better manner. The rest, you guys are doing an awesome job. I am so proud to be your listening partner. My weekends are loaded with entire team's podcasts. Atul Chaurasya and Rajeshri take the top spot. Poor Atul will hang himself if he hears this, please.
Why?
To be shared in the same breath.
Anonymous has sent a 10-word email. Suggestion for AS. And next time at least watch the trailer so you have some idea.
So
Which
this time, nothing. You watch nothing. So he's saying at least watch the trailer.
Oh,
of
so I
what
have
we
some
are.
idea what we're talking about. Okay,
Yeah.
good suggestion.
So
Anonymous.
this time, we have a trailer which Abhinandan has watched
4-minute trailer.
because it is you get the gist of the
Right.
film.
Yeah.
So should we discuss the trailer?
Yeah, we can discuss that because I haven't watched anything
Yeah.
else. But I have read the article that was sent to us, which Manisha wanted us to talk about, which has become a pop culture phenomenon, which went viral. It's in Vogue about, how boyfriends are something to be ashamed of. I didn't.
Even I did not really understand what the big deal was.
It was a complete nothing article.
Yeah, and I'm going
It's gone
to.
viral and it's become this
I don't know.
sensation.
I have no. I did not know that it
Manisha
has.
wouldn't lie. It has gone viral. It's been republished. I don't know where all everyone's commenting on it. Basically, it's this article. The link is in the show notes below, which
Is
says that
having a boyfriend embarrassing now?
or showing him or
That's the
acknowledging him on a
headline.
public
No,
thing.
the headline is having a boyfriend embarrassing now.
Yeah.
I don't know, but the article is embarrassing. It's very badly
I mean,
written.
it depends on who your boyfriend is.
Depends on your boyfriend.
I mean, if it
I don't know
is-
if Aditya Pancholi is your boyfriend. Don't tell people.
If it's Suresh Chandrasekhar,
Then you say.
Sukesh,
Because
'cause-
Sukesh.
because then you'll have to explain where the BMW and the horses came from.
I'm fine with that because by then I would have sold the BMW and horses and kept the money in FD. No, FD you're not supposed to keep. Whatever. I'd have invested. I'd have bought a house in Mallorca or somewhere. I'm gone.
Sukesh Chandrasekhar.
But it depends who your boyfriend is, undoubtedly.
Then you'll be ashamed or not.
Whether
So
you
if
should be
it-
embarrassed.
So
or not.
if it's Salman Khan, then shh.
Yeah. If it's Vivek Oberoi, I think it's worse. Of the two, I have to say Vivek Oberoi, which is really low. But also, what are these articles nowadays?
Like, what the fuck was that article and why has it gone viral? It is such a dumb article which
It's
says
very badly
nothing. I don't understand what is the point it's making. I don't know.
Then I felt, am I distracted while reading it? So I read it. I did 1.5 times I read it. And it remained
Maybe
bad.
Rashi, it went over our heads. We need to understand it.
Maybe we didn't understand.
Do you know like we talked about Priyali? You didn't
You
read it?
read. Maybe
Okay.
their generation will understand.
Yeah, clearly.
Manisha's a little lower generation than us, younger generation than us.
She's over a decade younger than me, so
So
clearly.
the full
so that-
generation. So
yeah.
maybe it's a different generation it's appealing to.
No, it didn't appeal to her. Even she said it's nothing.
No, but
But
as in
she
the,
also, I think, was wanting to ask that
So
can
she
you
said-
make head or tail
yeah,
of it?
she told me, have you read it? So I said, I don't even know that it exists. Then she said, no. You asked Niku. Niku will have an interesting take on it. But when I read it, I was like, Niku anyway is not watching anything I'm telling you. Now this article, he really won't watch even more.
But at least, but the likelihood of me reading something is higher than me watching
That's
something.
what. Also, it's a short article, but when a short article is also boring, it's a little...
Then it's, yeah. Then it's,
So if your boyfriend is as boring as this article is,
then
you should
don't
be
acknowledge.
embarrassed. Yeah.
Don't acknowledge.
Don't acknowledge him when he's sitting in front of you also. Sometimes that also works. Some men are too thick to realize that that's what.
And
you're doing.
also, it depends on what is the purpose of your boyfriend in your life.
What is the purpose? I mean, what is the purpose?
मतलब
Is it only love? Is it sustenance?
आपको, do you want someone to just de-stress you on the weekends?
Oh,
Do
you
you want
can call up Urban Company. They'll send on a massage. I don't understand why does I
do
have to
you
spend time with them?
want someone who actually to share space, time, whatever the fuck?
That also get a dog.
Do you want
I'm going to give you all a solution for every problem.
do you want someone to now, for example, to some of my really old friends who completely platonic, I have actually sometimes accompanied them for parties
Hmm.
or weddings or something, just
so do
as
you want
something
to-
that no one should fucking come to me with any up ye can I
Huh.
either no one will try to set them up with someone or no one will try to hit on them. So
Huh.
I'm the decoy कि देखो तो यहाँ खड़े हो जाइयो,
Huh.
ठीक है, just smile, make some conversation with
But
people.
that's not qualifying as
and
a
that-
boyfriend.
Yeah, it's so मतलब but some people may actually want that purpose to be served. कि भाई
Okay.
हाँ, I'm
With
currently
this.
engaged, so
Huh.
fucking don't bore me with your
Okay.
तो मतलब that is also a purpose. मतलब शादी करना मतलब what this article assumes is everybody looks at relationships the same way, which is I think the biggest myth of civilized society, which has convinced generation after generation after generation that everybody's expectation from a relationship must be the same, and generation after generation after generation have swallowed that bullshit and have constructed what an ideal relationship should be like, and that is the biggest reason for
But
the
that's patriarchy,
was
na?
the patriarchy or patriarch, but everyone's got convinced कि भाई यही है एक तरीका. Even men have got convinced. But it's that there is, this is the template.
Yeah, that is there. That even I agree, because a lot of people I know, if you say that I'm in a certain kind of relationship, they'll say, "Oh, but does the person do this, this, this? If they don't do this, 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 that means that will not qualify the person as a either a romantic partner or a boyfriend or a husband, because to qualify as those things, there are certain like 10-point checklist that has to be ticked off.
Huh.
But this article is not a good article. And I don't think we should have been made to read it, because
So,
we will
Manisha,
take this up with Manisha.
Just because you're editorial director, you cannot abuse your staff like
Yeah.
this. We deserve a bloody Diwali bonus for reading this article.
Yeah, because Manisha
Diwali is
said
gone.
it,
No, we have
Diwali
to-
is gone.
Christmas bonus.
Any religion, we are fine. with.
Bonus has
Parsi
it's a
also,
bonus.
some bonus has to come our way, because this also confused me, that am I too stupid? I'm not understanding.
See, that you didn't need the article. That I can
You
volunteer that
know,
information.
if I had to go by what your opinion of me is, then I would have jumped off a building long time back.
And if
Okay,
I had
that's
to go
answered.
by how you talk to me, I would have
Please.
come under a truck.
Niku,
saying
nobody's
Kutte cut piece. Who taught me this word cut piece?
cut piece is okay.
And who refers to me? I was like, fuck.
What
the fuck
do
does
I
it even
refer
mean?
to you as?
Cut piece. Shut up. Fuck off. Cut piece. Pick up that glass. I was
No,
like, what the
I've
fuck is
never.
cut piece?
I speak to you so affectionately.
off, yeah,
People have
idiot.
stopped on the road and said, "Oh my
You're-
God, you're so
you're
sweet."
such a scam.
I'm telling
it's a
you,
dis-
know, you are
it's
you.
shocking. You're,
just you
you're
think
like
you're projecting.
You're like Modi's 14th birthday. Really.
You're
Fucking people
projecting.
believe it also.
But there's a very good show, so we are going to be reviewing. I'm seeing it on this so that Abhinandan can't not do it for next time. We are going to be reviewing The Hack, which is on Lionsgate Play.
Okay.
And The Hack is about the Guardian's investigation into the news of the world hacking scandal.
Oh.
And it has David.
I'll watch.
Please.
Promise.
It is really good. It's a little slow and plodding, but then it's going to be a little bit like that. But so we will review it next time. But this time, we are going to review All Her Fault, which stars from Succession Sarah Snook, the daughter.
Oh.
So she's the protagonist, and it's based on a novel. It's on Andrea Mara's novel by the same name, and so it's on Hotstar. If you want to, you should watch it, because it's really good. It's a good watch. She plays a wealth manager who is married to another wealth
Health
manager.
manager.
Health manager. Well, he seems very healthy, so he is a health manager, wealth man. And they are in this swanky, massive home. She goes from work, she goes at around 4 p.m. to pick up her son from his play date, where she's been given the address by the mother. And because her nanny has taken off for the day.
Oh,
And
you
she
told me about
reaches,
this.
yeah,
Yeah.
she reaches, she rings the bell, and this woman opens the door, this older woman, and she says, "Oh, I've come to pick up whatever the son's name is." And this woman says, "There's no one, like, your son is not here." So, and she's a very sweet, polite woman. So she said, "No, this is the house." So she said, "No, this is not. I live here, and
Hmm.
there's no one else here." And this, like, you can see her getting a little worked up that,
Mhm.
where's my son then? And her son is like, whatever, 6-year-old, like a small child or less, I think.
Hmm.
And basically, her son has been kidnapped. And the
Hmm.
whole thing is about one, because so the other mother who fixed up this, who she thought was fixing up the play date with her on a
Was a
WhatsApp.
crook?
No, it's Dakota Fanning. You've
Hmm.
seen Dakota Fanning.
I don't know.
You've seen, if you see her face, you know.
Hmm.
And she never fixed up the play date. Someone just used her
Oh, I
name
see.
and used a
AI.
number. Yeah, no, and she didn't check. This woman did not check against the directory, all
Mhm.
that. And that woman, Dakota Fanning, is also a working mother. She works in a publishing house in the marketing department and heads marketing for this. And her husband is a teacher in a school. This one's husband is, of course, a wealth manager. So there's a whole
a
bunch of
mystery.
questions. It's a mystery, and there are lots of twists and turns
Hmm.
about who is where, how did the child.
How many episodes?
It's 8 episodes, I think
Hmm.
it was. And it is really, really. So at the last episode, I felt a little bit of
Hmm.
like, if you think about it, they should have figured it out before, someone would have been caught before, that kind of
Hmm.
thing. But the twists and turns are very good. And the characters and so there are cops investigating this thing. So even how the cops follow through with an investigation and what they follow through and what they don't suspect and why they don't, it's very well done. So
Hmm.
there's a commentary also on this thing of, if you're a working mother, must be a bad mother,
Hmm.
because only mothers who
And also, again, they're blaming Bengalis.
nanny
No, because her name in Succession was Shiv Roy.
Shiva. Yeah. So the Roys are
Wongs?
they are wrong. That's true also. Maybe the Succession Roys, why didn't they explore that angle?
Yeah, that was a
That
Bengali
these
angle.
are a Bengali media empire. We know of people like that also. But it is really
So
good.
this week, only good things have happened. Huh?
Yeah. And
Other
I
than
saw,
this article.
other than this article and the other show, which we won't review, but you should watch just because it's a really good watch. It has David Duchovny in it, and it has Jack Whitehall. You know that comedian?
No.
He says you've seen him also. He's very nice looking. Means he looks really good in this. It's called Malice. Malice is on Amazon Prime, I think. Yeah, it is on Amazon Prime. Again, it's like an 8 episode. It's a murder mystery. This guy joins again. Maybe it's a PR campaign against nannies, because basically
Maybe.
Jack Whitehall joins his
nanny
family
industry
as a
after
nanny, and then the havoc he creates. But it's all very beautiful people, and David Duchovny is still so lovely. Absolutely.
Familiar
It's-
name. Who's he?
X-Files?
X-Files. Right. So,
Fox.
Rajshri,
Fox Mulder.
two things. When you talk about Shiv Roy,
Yes.
she'll always be Shiv Roy to me. What's her name?
Sarah Snook.
Sarah Snook.
Huh.
This is, I don't know whether I mentioned when we reviewed Succession. This is the one thing that I had to do Atma Chintan, like Advani ji often used to do, but
Mhm.
I don't think his conscience spoke to him. He did a lot of Atma Chintan and then he got Modi in return. Good for him. I found her the most unlikable in Succession.
But she's supposed to be
But
unlikable.
no, I think it's just the built-in sexism. Because then when I started dissecting, I was like, out of all of them who should inherit, she should definitely not be the one. But then I said the oldest brother is the biggest loser,
The one who wants to be president.
objectively. Who was the?
He was very
He's
cute.
such a dick. Okay, who's like this loser who throws big parties so that he
Yeah,
becomes
yeah.
popular. Like he is the biggest loser. He's like
Okay.
worse than Sunil Shetty. Okay.
Yeah, but he's
So-
nicer looking. Huh.
So then this
Ken.
whatever that Kevin McCulloch, that Home Alone kid's younger
Kieran
brother.
McCulkin, who is lovely.
He is the
but
most
he's really
horrible.
bad.
Like he makes fun of poor people. I mean, he is the most. He has the most despicable attributes that I detest most in people.
Hmm.
When I look at her attributes, which are also
And then the other
unlikable-
brother.
Oh yeah,
Ken.
yeah, but
Who's
he's
the
a
main?
chuti anyway.
Huh, poor thing.
And I was like, but why do I dislike? Why did I not want her to get it most? I think it's sexism because, as objectively,
Hmm.
she is not as bad as the other two brothers, but she's a woman. And I guess in my head, I couldn't see a woman taking over the
I
empire.
thought she should get it. Just to screw the brothers over.
Hmm.
And I loved her husband, Greg. Greg is not her husband. Greg is her Thomas.
Whatever. Her husband is
Her
that.
husband and that nephew, that cousin.
Oh, the very tall guy.
Oof, that's so
They were very
good,
funny.
Yeah, they
Hmm.
were
Anyway,
so
what a
funny.
great show.
after-
Why
And
did it have to
that
end? Yeah, you
scene-
could have just keychoed it some more. Yeah.
And that scene where he is Tom, I think her husband's
Yeah,
name
Tom,
is.
correct.
Tom is interrogating that guy. It's in a
For
and
the
he upon
Nazi
me and
thing.
Kampf. And guy says, have you read it? So he
Couple of
says yes a
times, yeah.
couple of times. So he said, why were there some Easter eggs you didn't get?
Get the first. He's
And
damn funny.
He's a Shakespeare actor,
What is a
Tom.
Shakespeare actor?
as in a Shakespearean actor.
What's a Shakespearean actor?
They act in Shakespeare.
So am I a
script.
Shakespearean actor?
No.
But I've also acted in Shakespeare. I was Artemidorus in Macbeth.
Oh, Artemidorus, you pronounced correctly.
And sorry, in Julius Caesar.
I'm quite. Who was Artemidorus? Some sergeant at the back, one soldier. He
Demonstrates how
definitely was not an
demonstrates
important
how
person.
well you know your classics.
Wait,
Artemidorus was a teacher who has a soliloquy. One scene is just him on stage.
you gave us a soliloquy.
Yeah, and I'm trying to warn Caesar that Caesar, these guys are going to kill you.
And how old were you?
I don't know, I was 15, 14, 15.
And they had like Jackie Shroff has his lines written on the other person on a post, like on a chart paper. Did they have your lines written on someone?
And I still have the first scene of Macbeth verbatim in my head.
So the one thing I'll give Abhinandan credit for, but I don't know whether it's a sign of intelligence, but he has a what do you call it? A photographic memory when it comes to texts and
poems.
poems and all, but not when it comes to
Names.
recognizing
People.
people. That's all
That's
that's
because I've started now taking creatine.
That your hair will become better, your brain won't.
Abhi, no, all these very
Creatine, your hair will become better.
my very
Huh?
credible Insta reels are telling me that if you've started losing your memory,
You become like that. Insta, where
So-
did you get this news? Insta reel I got.
no, because dude, I don't remember anything, man. I mean, names and faces, so I've started having creatine. Is it the right thing? Tell
No,
us.
you'll just get lustrous hair. That's all you'll get.
Right, Rachi said. So we watched two lovely things. I watched one lovely thing. She watched two lovely
Yeah.
things. So Priyali said, इन चूतियों की लाइफ अच्छी क्यों है? ये साले कुत्ते के बच्चे मुस्कुरा क्यों रहे? चलो इनकी लाइफ थोड़ी गंदी कर दे, भद पीटते हैं. She said, please watch this trailer. This one.
But I loved it. And I want to go and watch it on big
Aye.
screen. You won't come with me 5th December. I booked the tickets. Think about it. Don't say no immediately.
Is there anything else that's releasing?
You're not going to watch the
No, I'd
run.
love to. If there's something that
No, there's
had
better stuff. releasing.
Frankenstein been released, we could have had such a wonderful evening. We could have had a nice chola bhatura dinner.
If I'm lucky. Sometimes I get 4 like papris. And
we
they
could
give
have
2
watched a good
pieces
film.
of potato. It's very
That's what she
sad.
said.
But
Yes.
Durandar is directed by.
Dhurandhar.
What does it mean?
First say it right.
Durandar.
Dhurandhar.
I'm not going to speak in that guttural manner. I'm
Dhurandhar
not.
Bhadvadekar. Tell me, where is this
Gee,
character
that's not so
from?
bad. From the
Dhurandhar
family man.
Bhadvadekar is
is-
a character from a Rishikesh Mukherjee film,
Oh, then I
which is
should
a
know.
comedy where he creates this fictitious character, which Utpal Dutt, who's a Bengali and a really gifted actor, created.
And my Utpal Dutt's own brother is my uncle, is my Pishe Mashai. We are
Oh.
very close to the Dutt family.
See, this is the
So, and his brother was
Relation.
not. His brother used to be in tea, Mike Dutt. He's
and
my
you are in a soup. See how
Very
this is
bad.
called a witty.
No, this is not called a witty. This
So,
is not called a witty.
Self-Aware Skynet says, whichever one of you has time to watch movies, please watch A House of Dynamite. I think
Yeah,
talking
it's
to me.
supposed to be very good. Yeah.
by Catherine Bigelow. Guardian
Who
gave
is
it
who?
5 stars.
James Cameron's ex-wife who made the most fabulous war films.
Oh, nice.
And she won an Oscar.
Oh,
The
did she make that boat one where they are going, all the boats, they go, and all the civil boats also?
Death on the
Greyhound,
Nile.
Grey something.
Catherine Bigelow and that was the other thing.
It
She
could
and
have- it's based on a true story. Anyway. So first, no, we have to also, sorry, we're talking about the trailer. we're going
Catherine
out of-
Bigelow made Hurt Locker, Zero Dark 30,
Okay.
Strange Days. She also got nominated for an Oscar the same year as James Cameron got, and she won. That's
Nice.
a great thing to do to your ex-husband.
So, Rajshri, Dhurandhar is clearly a film that
What does
is-
it mean? Tell me.
Dhurandhar means tremendous, bombastic.
Oh,
like
Dhurandhar.
like Dhurandhar film है मतलब क्या
So it's the same as the Bengali
mind
word.
blowing, amazing.
Durantor. I don't know. It's something like that, the Bong word also. But it has a star cast. It has Sanjay Dutt, Akshay Khanna, who poor thing, something's happened to him. I used to really find him nice looking earlier.
So there's this guy on Insta. He's very funny. He has resemblance to Akshay Khanna, and he just makes this face, and he puts
So sad.
a katora on his head ulta, so he looks like
He's
he's,
bald.
and he says Akshay Khanna sad, Akshay Khanna happy, Akshay Khanna interrogating someone. Because Akshay Khanna says he's really funny.
It's very sad.
But I'm sure our producer will find him and put him here. But he's damn funny.
So Akshay Khanna, Sanjay Dutt,
The most
Jackie
handsome
Shroff
man
is not there.
in the world.
Arjun Rampal.
He's
So
still so handsome.
I just want to say, Priyali, when I came down, I said I really like the trailer and I'd watch it. So I don't understand why people are outraging about it. So she said because it's Muslim bashing. So I said, but if it's Arjun Rampal doing Muslim bashing, I'm okay
So
with
he
it.
is the Muslim who's being bashed.
He's the Muslim who's being bashed.
Did you even understand the trailer?
He's also doing. Oh, that's a Hindu man. He is tortured. See, so I felt for the character, instantly because it's Arjun Rampal.
Anyway,
Then
this-
there's Ranveer Singh, who for the first time is looking decent. I felt.
Anyway, I just think this age will be known as the age of losers, where losers, because of political patronage, had all the stars sign on to films that didn't deserve to get made, but got made anyway. And this director of this film, he's that actor with Promise, her husband.
Yami Gautam,
Yami Gautam's husband.
actor with promise.
I mean, fuck man, really get a life. Anyway,
Ah.
so Vijendra says, I love you both bantering about everything under the sun. And just to stand with Rajshri, I also felt KLPD after sitting through 8 episodes. Did either of you watch Kantara chapter 1?
Kantara.
Actually, Kantara, nahi Kantara.
Oh, Kantara.
So, I actually want to watch Kantara. It's a film, right?
There's so many things you want to watch.
I'm
We
writing
will-
it down here.
And
This
what
is-
will happen if you write it there? This.
Then I'll remember.
Then you throw this in the dustbin upstairs.
No.
But yeah, it's supposed to. But there's another film which Priyali told us to watch. Loka.
Hmm. So, Rajshri
Which we have
saying there
not.
are 2 males left.
We'll
One
read.
is
Let's read.
No, sorry, 1 male left. No, 2 males, Rishi Jaitley's and Ruh.
Ruh. Ruh has written, this is in reference to Abhi's, if I may call you that. You can call him whatever you want. He will respond. Reverence and admiration for Bapu. You may choose to address this or not on the podcast. I will understand both choices.
Hmm.
We are not used to people being so understanding with us. Providing a background, I have been a curious devotee and a self-confessed fan of Gandhiji since my childhood. His unique way of thinking and strength of conviction amazed me. I grew up reading my experiments with truth multiple times since the age of maybe 10 to 11. What also helped was that my Nanaji looked really similar to him, so I always felt this connection with him. Just a week ago, I came across a person stating that he did some experiment where he got in bed with his granddaughters and slept with them. It's not a
Hmm.
made up thing. I was enraged beyond words because even though I'm a very critical person, my brain refused to believe it. Researched it after calming down and was shocked at the facts I found. Please share your views in writing if you don't want to address this on the podcast. But please voice your thoughts. Also, hi, Miss Sen. Much love to you both. You can give your views first.
So, yeah, Ruh, it's true. Bapu, there are several things about him that I thought were a bit weird and off and I didn't agree with. He was a terrible father, for one.
And a negligent husband
his
also, to be
negligent
fair.
husband, his refusal to administer scientific medicine to Kasturba, which
When
led
she
to her
was
death,
unwell.
his sexism. So I don't think he was a perfect man, but as men go, he had one thing which I put up there, in spite of all his flaws, which I disagree with. His conviction, his commitment to truth, for me was so extreme that, you know, we're all a amalgamation of our attributes, some positive, some negative, you know, some virtues, some vices. So in that cost benefit analysis, his virtues were so humongous that they, for me, overshadowed his vices. For example, Martin Luther King, I mean, if you want to read up about it, their podcast, he was quite a philanderer, by the way. And he was not a great husband, uh, like many men were at the time. And in my home state are still.
Yes. Friendly hair bot. What's nice about Punjabi men, na, they are so friendly. Their wife is sitting there, but they're still friendly. I love it.
But
Carry on.
yeah, so yeah, for me, he's still a hero. His portrait, very lovely portrait done by Rajshri, adorns the wall in my home and my office. So yeah, I think he was really, really flawed in many ways, but what he excelled in, he was just so amazing. Like, for example, Jordan did not speak up on black issues really bad, but what he did for sport, man, huge. Muhammad Ali, not a nice husband, but when he stood for his blackness, damn, no one had the guts to do that. So everyone's a mix of both, I think. Yeah.
Yeah, but it's a little odd the way, like as a woman, I'm saying, when you are in awe of someone, and there was a lot to be in awe of Gandhi if he was in your life, and especially if he was someone whose politics you believed in, that freedom struggle. If someone like that tells you that, it's that power play that you say that, okay, I want to see how I can control my urges, so you be nude or I be nude. It's very difficult to say that why did they not say no, and also the pressure I feel for those women, but now it is what it is. All our gods have clay feet. What is it? Yeah, feet of stone. Also, never idolize
First of all,
someone
if you've got
totally.
feet of stone or feet of clay, changes the entire standing of the gods. Choose feet of clay or feet of stone.
Why? Feet of clay can wash away, you're saying.
Yeah, that's the whole idea, that they'll just dissolve, whereas
But
feet
if
of
it's
stone will.
well done clay, it will take a while.
It doesn't put in a kiln,
If it's yeah,
glaze.
I'll show you some clays now. It will not. It depends on the clay. So there are degrees and degrees.
Clay. It's plaster
Everything.
of Paris.
Layered. This is also layered. And also, Rue only had written this. This is in reference to episode 352, where Miss Sen spoke about the idea of you where Anne Hathaway was much older than the male she was involved with, and how the end made you cry. Okay, I just want to say I do cry a lot in
Yeah.
a lot of things.
So
So,
Worry about
you
that.
should not.
Take that as a sign of anything.
Yeah, but still, it's nice that
Other
you
than
have.
Rajshri's extreme
but-
self-indulgence.
My crying is my self-indulgence. It shows that I have a heart. Na? You should also try and cry once in a while.
First of all, Rajshri, I've articulated this before. Not your crying. Crying is an act of self-indulgence. Period. No matter who does it.
But
Which is
I
why
don't
I
cry
have such a
usually.
problem with Rondus. It is complete self-indulgence.
But you
There
are
is no-
so sympathetic.
There
to
is no
Ron.
other trigger to tears other than self-indulgence. It is that simple, no matter who does it.
I agree with you. But
Mm.
between the two of us, when someone cries in front of me, I just say, just stop it. You feel so bad for the person
No.
that you start, okay, wait. This movie moved me to tears multiple times, as I completely related to her struggles, and a lot of the issues that came up in her life scared me, as I am in a similar place in life. I really wanted to see them overcome stuff and be happy, but they had to waste so much time and precious years and stayed in so much pain before they could find their joy. It broke my heart. Also, hi, Mr. Sikri. Much love to you both.
Hi.
I just want to tell you, if you have a younger male partner, I'm very pleased for you because younger boys are quite sweet and all. I'm just
Okay,
saying, this
just
was
saying.
my love.
So,
advice.
taking a cue from Bapu's book, that's what she said. But
I'm going to write. So, Sandeep told me, my friend Sandeep, who's an editor and who
you
I
can say
use
my
it,
experiments with
with
cute.
half truth. He said,
With half
because
truth.
yours are all half.
Half
He
truth.
said, you don't know which is fact, which is fiction.
So my
That's-
experiment is half truth. What a
Half truth,
great
it's a very good. And I can write volume upon
volumes
love.
of it. Lovely. So there is one email left by Rushi Jetli. It's 224 words. We will read it next time, Rushi, because it's longer than 150 words.
Yeah.
And we have run out of time today. But Rajshri Sen, we have a lot of good recommendations which I hope we can get done.
Let's not say. Rajeshri has got done only.
Just reminding you, we are running a 26% discount to match the 26% rise in ad revenue rates by the government for print media. We will match that by 26% drop in our rates. That's Rajshri Sen. What were you saying?
It's also 26% because 26 is my age to match that. And it's also Abhinandan's IQ. But on that note, we are also going to. This is the affection with which. Deep inside, it's only affection. No, we are going to review Paul Thomas Anderson's film. It's finally up online.
Abbe yaar,
Are
hai?
the
One sec.
Leonardo DiCaprio
Sala,
one,
The Hack,
Niku?
The Hack,
One battle
Kantara,
after another.
The
No,
Hack,
no.
Kantara, Baramula. ये भी पेल दो, ये भी पेल दो, और कुछ करता ही
only
नहीं।
one
मैं
battle
अभी
after another
बैठ
and The Hack.
लैपटॉप बैठ के अगले
You
हफ्ते
just
तक
go outside and sit down
यही
and
करता हूँ,
start.
और कुछ है ही
Don't
नहीं
do
करने को।
any work. News laundry.
मेकअप योर माइंड, चार चीजें, वो
If
भी
the ED
2 of them are
comes,
series. हाँ,
you say 1 second. आपको भी देखना है ये.
आपके देखता है रेड
आपको-
वेट कर लो।
आपको लोका देखना है. कंसारा हमारे पास 4 चीज है. Whatever you want to watch, sir. You should involve them. Maybe they want to talk about pop culture. But we will be back in 2 weeks' time.
All right.
And in another 2 weeks after that, it's our 400th episode.
Yeah, so we should do something. We'll figure out
400
what.
divided by 52 is
Approximately 3 point something.
3. 3 5s are 50. What are you saying?
4
It's
point
8.
something.
4 point, I don't know. 4
4.8.
years is a long time. 8 years, Niku.
Because we, anyway,
No,
I
but
don't know
I'm
why we're
saying
doing
it's
this calculation. Thank you for
To show.
joining us. Thank you to our wonderful sound recordist Anil. Thank you to our wonderful producer Priyali. Thank you, Miss Sen.
Thank you, Mr. Sikri.
And it's a wrap.